The real truth about microwaves everyone ignores. You may know this story, but let me say it one more time. During the World War II, two scientists have invented a tube. This tube produced microwaves called magnetron. The scientists combined the magnetron with Britain's radar system. So, these microwaves were able to find Nazi warplanes on their mission to bomb Great Britain. Few years later, Percy LeBaron Spencer of the Raytheon Company discovered by accident that these microwaves could also cook food. Percy LeBaron found that radar waves had melted a candy bar in his pocket. Did you know that the first microwave oven to go on the market was called the Radar Range and it was large and heavy as a refrigerator? According to recent studies, medical experts have confirmed that microwave ovens are bad for our health. How do microwave ovens heat our food? Well, let me start. The alternating currents force atoms to reverse their polarity. This process creates a friction and it vibrates the water inside of the food molecules, causing the food to heat up. So, the main question is, how are microwave ovens dangerous? Well, we can answer that for you. There are more than 2.45 billion hertz inside the microwave oven. This is completely fine, until the seal on the microwave oven ages and it begins to leak. 10 hertz of frequency is more than enough to harm a human body. So, you need to be extra cautious and never stand near an operating microwave. This is because you won't know your body is harmed by this frequency, until the damage has been done. How does a microwave oven harm our bodies? It causes birth problems. It causes cancer. Weakens our immune system. It can cause cataracts, due to our eyes' lack of blood vessels to dissipate the cellular stress and heat for the microwave. Reduced resistance and immunity to viral and bacterial infections. Other serious diseases. What does the microwave oven do to your food? It breaks chemical and molecular bonds. Hans Hertel, a Swiss scientist, conducted a study and he found that microwaving food degrades and depletes food of its nutrients. The microwave radiation destroys and deforms the molecules in the foods. In this process, it creates dangerous radioactive compounds. According to a study, conducted by a group of scientists at the Search for Health Institute, in 1992, the researchers followed the effects of participants that consumed microwaved vegetables. They experienced many side effects, such as increased bad cholesterol levels, decrease in hemoglobin causing an anemic-like conditions, decrease in white blood cells, increase in leukocyte. It indicates to poisoning and cell damage. The microwaved breast milk loses almost 96% of its antibodies. The microwave radiation alters the infant formula's structure. It changes the components in amino acids, creating immunological abnormalities. Let me say this one more time, even though your microwave oven is perfectly sealed, you are still exposed to harmful levels of electromagnetic fields. The electromagnetic fields, which are also used for X-ray machines, can penetrate the human bodies and can cause some serious health problems. The EPA's Environmental Protection Agency recommended limited exposure to electromagnetic fields is 0.5 mg, 2.5 mg. So, if you stand 4 inches from your food cooking in the microwave oven, you will be exposed to 100 to 500 mg. While standing 3 feet away from the operating microwave will expose you to 1 to 25 mg. The microwave ovens are faster than the old-fashioned ovens. But, wait, is it worth it? You lose the nutritional value of your food and you jeopardize the health of your family, for what? So, think twice before you use microwave oven to heat your food again. We really hope you find this video helpful and please share it with your friends and family. Thanks.